If you've got a wall that you want to add perspective text to, let's do it. First you'll need a wall, of course, and then you'll need some text, so let's type some. Control click on the text icon here. Hit Control C to copy. Hit Control D to unselect. Hide that layer. Create a new layer. Go to Filter, Vanishing Point. Draw your grid on. Hit Control V to paste your text. Drag that onto the wall. Hit Control T to resize. Click OK when you're happy. Double click on that layer. You want to blend some of the underlying layer, so hold Alt and drag this out until you're happy with how it looks. It'll be somewhere around there. So there you go, perspective text on a wall. Pretty easy, hope that helped.